right, let's get you more breaking news that's coming in. Akhilesh Yadav has hit out after the Kannauj rape case revelation in which a DNA test confirmed rape. SP Neta's DNA match in the case of minor rape has led to politics as Akhilesh Yadav has actually mocked the investigation, saying, "Do you know the full form of DNA?" This comes after SP's Nawab Yadav, who was accused in the sexual assault of a minor, has been in the dock because a DNA test has confirmed that he did rape the minor victim.
लेनपुरी जो कभी बीबीआईपी जनपद माना जाता था, लेकिन विकास के कार्य में क्यों पिछड़ गया? ये वही लोग हैं जिन लोगों ने आपके सामने जो पहचान का संकट खड़ा किया, आपके सामने पहचान का संकट खड़ा किया, प्रदेश के सामने उनके सामने अपने अस्तित्व का संकट खड़ा किया। इन लोगों ने सामाजिक ताने बाने को छिन्न भिन्न किया। अराजकता और गुंडागिर्दी इनके डीएनए का हिस्सा है। इनका कारनामा वही है जो अयोध्या में एक निषाद बेटी के साथ समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता के द्वारा किया गया था। इनके घिनौने कृत्य वही है जो लखनऊ में एक बेटी को कैसे इन लोगों के द्वारा गिराया जाता है, ये इनका चेहरा है। और इनके वास्तविक कारनामे देखने हो तो कन्नौज में घटित घटना और नवाब ब्रांड ये समाजवादी पार्टी का वास्तविक चेहरा है।
So that's UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath lashing out at the SP over this rape case taint on the party. Abhishek Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, an absolute mockery being made of Akhilesh Yadav. Such serious, grave charges of raping a minor against one of these leaders of Samajwadi Party. And Akhilesh chooses not to go ahead and condemn what's happened, but to mock the investigation.
Well, certainly, Akshita, and this has come at a point where there are a lot of evidences against the leader. DNA test has been found positive, and at the same time, what family has been saying. So, indeed, it looks like that when CM Yogi Adityanath yesterday was there at Mainpuri, here he clearly not only spoke about this issue, but also raised questions about Samajwadi Party leaders, their background, and referring DNA as a sample, whereas Akhilesh Yadav, instead of any condemned or making it very open, he, came into a position of, giving it back to CM Yogi. So, again, yes, indeed, a lot of questions are being raised, but as far as Kannauj case is concerned, there are substantial evidences against the leader, and now, even after DNA test, Samajwadi Party chooses not to, condemn it, but also retaliate it to the BJP. Yes.
Right. Thanks very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details. We'll track closely the updates that come in. Unfortunate political war that's broken out on an issue that you'd expect widespread condemnation cutting across all political differences.